Welcome back to another cool auto AC video. Today we're going to be working on a 2007 Ford Escape. Today we're going to be replacing the air duct door. The air duct door is responsible for changing the defrost to floor to face ventilation. Currently on this vehicle, the door is currently broken. I'm going to show you the part, show you exactly what we're going to be replacing. Here, the air duct door goes on top of the heater box. These are the doors that open to allow it to go up through the ventilation to hit your windshield. Currently, this side that connects through the doors is no longer turning, so we're going to go ahead and replace that on this vehicle. All right, quick mid-repair update. Here we have the dashboard removed from the vehicle. We just wanted to show you guys exactly where the air duct goes. Here is the air duct part currently on the dashboard. These are the doors that are currently broken on the vehicle. They aren't able to completely open all the way because the switch on your dash that you turn to get to the defroster is broken over here on the side, so they aren't opening. Here we have the used air duct door removed from the vehicle. As you can see here, this is the part that is broken. It no longer stays in place when you change from the defroster to blowing directly at your face or the floor. So I'll show you on the new one as well how the part is supposed to correctly work. This is the door opening and closing, and you can see it no longer stays in place. As you can see here on the brand new piece, as soon as the door opens and closes, it retracts correctly. And this is the little plastic piece that was previously broken on the other vehicle. Here we are, post-repair. We currently have the dashboard put back on the vehicle with the new air duct. Currently, the air is blowing from the floor position. I can now transition it to the defrost, and I can now feel that the air is coming out of these vents here, and I can also transition it now to blow at our face, letting us know that the air duct is now correctly functioning on our 2007 Ford Escape.